Hey, this is Megan, and I'm going to show you how you can use ClickUp AI to quickly create SOPs from ClickUp Clips. So you see here, this is one of my ClickUp Clips. So you see how ClickUp AI nicely names these for you now, which is fabulous. So you want to make sure that after you record the video that the transcript is in here. So it can take a few minutes depending on the length of your video. So mine is about 10 minutes long. It took at least a minute or so for the transcript to appear. So once the transcript is in here, if you click this button here which says summarize, we don't actually want it to summarize the video. Like, I don't care too much about the summary, but I want to make sure that the AI has selected this video as the source. So after it does that, I'm just going to type in here, write an SOP based on this video, hit enter, and now it is taking that content from the video and creating a standard SOP: purpose, scope, responsibilities, procedure. You see it's nice. It does have some things I need to go back and correct, but that's fine. It's just giving me a really fabulous start, and it's adding things that need to be filled in, and then that you're all set. So if you need to, if it's not good, which I have not yet experienced, you can retry or adjust your prompt and go back and do it again. But for me, this is good, so I am going to copy it and then put that into my SOP library. So there you go. That's how you can use ClickUp AI to create an SOP in literally seconds.